Hello students. So in this video, first we are going to discuss about the cytoplasm and then we are going to discuss about the different cell organelles. So what is the cytoplasm? Basically, cytoplasm is a gel-like fluid which fills each and every cell of our body and it is enclosed by the plasma membrane or cell membrane. Now moving ahead, we need to know about the importance or significance or function of the cytoplasm. So the first and foremost thing is that the cytoplasm serves as a medium in which the different cell organelles are suspended. Okay. Next, coming to the chemical composition of cytoplasm, about 60 to 80% of cytoplasm is composed of water, and as a result it takes very little stain whenever we perform any kind of cell staining. Now, other than the water, it contains different molecules like sugars, fatty acids, amino acids, salts, which are dissolved in it. And all these things, that is, all these molecules along with water, are required for the proper functioning of the cell. In addition to this, cytoplasm contains waste materials that are dissolved in it and different kinds of enzymes. Some enzymes will be involved in clearing up these waste materials and some enzymes will be involved in catalyzing the different kinds of chemical reactions which takes place in the cytoplasm. So that's all about the cytoplasm. Let us now discuss about the different kinds of cell organelles which are found in the cell. So the first and foremost cell organelle that we will be taking up is endoplasmic reticulum or ER. Now in order to understand the structure of endoplasmic reticulum, let us look at this diagram. So this is our nucleus and just adjacent to our nucleus you can see many tubules which are interconnected to each other, and this entire structure forms our endoplasmic reticulum. So we can see that structurally it is made up of a network of membrane bound tubules which begin near the nucleus and extend towards the cytoplasm. Now moving ahead, we need to know about the types of endoplasmic reticulum. If we will observe endoplasmic reticulum under electron microscope, we are going to see that at certain regions it is very smooth. On the other hand, at certain regions it is going to appear rough. Now those regions which appear smooth form smooth endoplasmic reticulum. On the other hand, the one which appears rough, they form rough endoplasmic reticulum. Now the question arises, what imparts rough appearance to rough endoplasmic reticulum? Basically, these rough endoplasmic reticulum have tiny particles called ribosomes attached to their membrane. And it is these ribosomes which impart rough appearance to rough endoplasmic reticulum, and these ribosomes are very important and they are considered as protein factories of the cell, which means to say that they are involved in the process of protein synthesis, thereby making rough endoplasmic reticulum site for protein synthesis. Moving ahead, let us discuss about the functions of endoplasmic reticulum. So this point is already discussed, that is rough endoplasmic reticulum helps in the protein synthesis. The reason is they contain ribosomes. So ribosomes will help them to make proteins. And the proteins which will be made at RER will be transported to different parts of the cell. Moving ahead, smooth endoplasmic reticulum helps in the synthesis of lipids or fat molecules. The third important function is that rough endoplasmic reticulum along with smooth endoplasmic reticulum helps in membrane biogenesis. Now what is this membrane biogenesis? If you split this term, bio means life, genesis means to make. So basically, Membrane biogenesis is a process by which cell membrane is made from proteins and lipids. RER is going to contribute proteins and SER is going to contribute lipids, and together these lipid and proteins will form the membrane. Now moving ahead, SER of liver cells of animals helps in detoxification of drugs and poisons. So remember, whichever drug we are going to take up, the remains of it will be there in our body, and those remains need to be removed. They need to be turned into harmless substance, and there our SCR is going to play a very important role. Other than this, some of the proteins which are made by RER functions as enzymes, and some of them may function as hormones. So these points are very simple, nothing much to explain in them. Now, in order to understand the sixth function, let us go back to our diagram. If you observe, they are forming a kind of channel or tunnel or a road, right? So, we can say that endoplasmic reticulum, they serve as a channel or tunnel for the transfer of material between the nucleus and cytoplasm and between the various regions of cytoplasm. So, for example, there is a molecule over here in the cytoplasm. This molecule can enter the endoplasmic reticulum and it can just come out over here. So more or less it is like a pathway or channel or route allowing the easy transport of material from one portion of the cell to another portion of the cell. So that's all about the endoplasmic reticulum. See you all in the next video.
Do like, subscribe and share this video.